May I join with my wife, officer?
No, sir. No men are allowed until all the women and children are gone. I'm sorry.
Go in. I'll come up later.
No, darling, I won't go anywhere without you.
I know, but you have to go. Now, go!
Stop being dramatic and get into the boat.
Keep lowering. Steady.